Dental Soundbites bonus content.
Welcome back to Dental Soundbites. I'm Dr. Arnell Wright.
And I'm Dr. Effie Anidu.
We are having a conversation about fostering respect in our workplace. Next up, Dr. Sapna Lohia shares her story with us. So we're interested to hear another sticky situation.
Hi, thank you so much for having me. My name is Dr. Sapna Lohia, and I am a board-certified oral and maxillofacial surgeon practicing in the West Los Angeles area. And I wanted to share my sticky situation. In residency, I took care of a patient that we took to the operating room for a submandibular space abscess. I was a senior resident at the time, and I had 2 new male residents on my service. We took care of this patient for several days in the hospital, including her admission, her surgery, and a few days of recovery. After her stay, she happened to write a review to the head of the hospital complimenting my team. In that review, she referred to my 2 male interns residents as doctors and noted that they were very diligent with their note-taking, and then went on to say that Nurse Lohia was very knowledgeable and performed her surgery with so much skill. In that moment, I realized she understood my role in her care as her surgeon, but still could not recognize my training that I was her doctor. Fortunately, we were able to provide this patient with the care that she needed successfully. But it reminds us that patients can come into your office with preconceived notions that may affect the level of respect and trust that you are able to develop. I am always keen to introduce myself as their doctor, wear a white coat in the office, and have my team trained to defer to me and my partners when patients ask for specific clinical information. Having these steps in place helps to limit this type of confusion. I find that most of our teams in the dental office can be predominantly female, and oftentimes new dentists are the youngest team members in the office. It is a fine balance between wanting to be friendly and create a positive office culture, but also maintain the respect of a leader and boss. I find that if you treat your team with respect, set clear expectations and responsibilities, perform regular check-ins, and lead by example, then respect and trust can be earned.
Right on point. Thank you. That was great, right?
Absolutely.
If you guys like this episode, share it with your friends. Then be sure to subscribe to this podcast wherever you're listening so you can get the latest episodes, people.
Yep. You can also rate it. You can write a review and follow us on social media.
Dental Soundbites is an American Dental Association podcast. Learn more at ada.org/podcast.